Making the most of an open house. Open houses provide an excellent opportunity to view homes in a relaxed atmosphere. You get a feel for the market, can ask the realtor questions, and can also ask yourself, is this the right home for me? Help yourself remember specific details by bringing a notebook, tape measure, and camera. Pay attention to the neighborhood around the home. Note the location of local amenities like parks, schools, restaurants, and shopping. As you tour the home, remember that the realtor hosting the open house is a great source of information. Feel free to ask how long the home has been on the market and if there have been offers. You can also ask about local market conditions. Keep in mind, the realtor is familiar with other homes for sale in the area and might be able to suggest other options if this particular home doesn't suit your needs. If you're really interested in the home, ask to make an appointment for a private tour or, better yet, make an offer.